If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. You can use the rotate command to rotate and flip the image in a canvas. You can rotate or flip the entire image or just the currently selected layer. To either rotate or flip an active image, select Image, Rotate from the menu bar. From the side menu that then appears, select the command you want to perform. 180 degrees to rotate the image 180 degrees or half a circle. 90 degrees left. Flip horizontal, which flips the selected layer horizontally, and so on. Note that if you choose the Custom command, then the Rotate Canvas dialog box appears, where you can then enter a value into the Angle text box, and then choose to rotate the image right or left. When you are done, just click the OK button to apply the custom rotation. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.